Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Beautiful, so for our cashew masala, I've got like a medium-sized saucepan on a high heat and I'm going to get in a cup of water, half a cup of tomato passata, or you can use canned tomatoes if you like, but you don't need that much. 100 grams, so that's 3.5 ounces of roasted cashews. Then we want half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, or you could use curry powder if you like. I like garam masala because it doesn't have any chili, so it means this is fine for the boys, for my boys. So they're very sensitive to chili heat. So we'll get 2 teaspoons in. You could use 3 if you like things pretty spicy, but again, I like to keep it really mild for them. And then I'm just going to get a lid on and just simmer that for 5 minutes. Beautiful. So when the sauce has been simmering for about 5 minutes, like you just want to soften the cashews a bit, but if you're really short on time, a couple of minutes will be fine. Then I'm just going to get my stick blender, and so we're off the heat now. And just very carefully, oh, that's not ideal, it's spraying stuff everywhere. So we just want to puree to make a nice creamy sauce. And okay, that's probably good. And then, but I've got 2 chicken breast fillets, so it's about, these were actually quite large, so it's more than a half a kilo or a pound, but I'm just going to use them all. So we'll have leftovers, and this is an everyone happy recipe. So if you're not using chicken, you could use that's just a drained can of chickpeas, so you can use either with this. And I'm just going to give that a little stir, and we'll get it back on the heat and cover it and simmer it for another, like depending on how big you've chopped your chicken, they're fairly big chunks. It'll probably take about 5 minutes. So you can hear our chicken simmering away. I've actually had it on more of a medium-high heat, and I'm just going to get it off the heat. So give it a good stir. I've been stirring it every couple of minutes. It's a good idea to do that because with the cashew in the sauce, it does like to stick and burn. And if you find that particularly if you're just cooking it with the chickpeas, you might find that there's no liquid coming out of them, so it might get too thick, then you can always just add a bit more water. My chicken feels done. If you want to test it, you can test a piece, but then I'm just going to taste, and I'll season it with, I'll just give it a squeeze of lemon, I find that will just freshen things up a bit. And then I'm just going to serve it on a bed of baby spinach with some extra roast cashews on top, but you could serve it with rice or cauliflower rice or any cooked veggies. Like, it's beautiful with broccoli as well. Actually, a big bowl of broccoli with this on top. Yum. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.